Hello, Boys and Girls Club members and friends. It's Miss Amy. Welcome to my messy kitchen, or today, welcome to my messy science lab. So we're going to do a science experiment that might almost seem like magic, but I promise you it is science, and there is a reason why what we're going to do works, and it's really cool. So first, there's a couple things that you're going to need. You're going to need a pretty big glass of water or container of water. You're going to need a couple of regular old like Ziploc sandwich bags. And then you're going to need a couple of very sharp pencils, like as sharp as you can get them. I just put those through my pencil sharpener. And then I'm going to need a towel because remember, science can get a little bit messy. Again, also check with a grown-up to make sure it is okay if you do this science experiment because it does get a little bit messy, or could get a little bit messy. Hopefully not if we do this right. All right, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Ziploc bag and I want to fill it up just a little more than halfway with water. So here's about halfway here. I'm going to fill it up to about here. So I'm going to set this down so I don't dump water everywhere. And I'm going to fill up my Ziploc bag until I get to a little over half. And that was just enough water for that. So my Ziploc bag is filled up a little more than half. I'm checking it for leaks. That's why I have a separate bag just in case. We don't want any leaks. And now we're going to seal it shut. You don't need to squeeze the air out. Leave all that air in there. But make sure that you seal it really, really tight so that there are no leaks. All right, so we have our sealed Ziploc bag full of water. What's gonna happen next, this part makes me a little nervous. I'm gonna take this pencil, I'm gonna stick it through this bag, but my water is not gonna leak out everywhere. Hopefully if I do this right, that's what's supposed to happen. It's gonna look kind of like magic. You might want to have a partner or a grown-up help you with this and hold this bag like really, really tight. And I'm going to try and put this pencil through the bag as fast as I can. So I'm going to count to 3. I'm a little nervous. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's not magic. There's a reason. But do you see? Only a few little drips of water came out when I first did it. So let's see if I can do this again. I'm gonna grab this bag really, really tight. I'm gonna take this other pencil. I'm gonna count to 3. Ooh, I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna stick this pencil through the bag and do this again. 1, 2, 3. Do you see? My water is not leaking out of the bag. How did I do that? Is it magic? No, it's actually science. There's a reason for this. So, have you ever noticed that a plastic bag is a little bit stretchy? Not super stretchy, but it has a little bit of a stretch to it. All right, so because that bag is stretchy, that is actually what is helping to seal this so this water doesn't come out. Plastic is made up of these long chains of molecules that we can't see with our eyes. You can see them under a microscope, but we can't see those little tiny molecules inside the plastic. Those plastic molecules are called polymers. And so think of like a rubber band, how you stretch it, but then it always comes back, kind of to the same shape. So those invisible to the eye plastic molecules called polymers kind of stretch and give. It makes the plastic bag stretchy. So when I stick those pencils through that plastic bag really fast, those molecule chains stretch and then they come back together and seal around the pencil. And that's what makes it so that the water is not leaking out, but I've got holes in my bag. So I hope that you found this experiment fun and interesting. I hope you get a chance to try it at home. Remember, ask a grown-up, because if I didn't stick those pencils through fast enough, it could have gotten a little bit messy. So make sure you ask a grown-up. I miss all of you. I hope you're all healthy and safe at home, and we will see you next time. Bye, boys and girls.